wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life.
Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name's Jordan and you're watching Criminal Crafting, where we talk all things true crime, missing persons, court. State signs. I'm in love. But I wanted to make sure to do a video that showed a full tutorial on how to do it so that you were comfortable getting the kit and doing it yourself. So we'll go through step by step the different stitches. We'll have an instruction sheet that we'll send you, as well as this video that will have more in-depth instruction, and sometimes you just are a visual learner like me. If you're interested in one of these signs, the link is in our description for our website. If you're local, close to Saratoga Springs, Utah, we do have the pickup option. So if you're going to pick up, make sure at checkout you use the coupon code PICKUP, and we will send you all the information on how to come pick it up.
Wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say. Tell yours if you want. You're alright, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Tell yours if you want. Alright, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams tell yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Excuse my Easter decorations behind me. We have not had a chance to change out all the decorations, and we need to do that. So if you like this tutorial, again, down in the description is our website for you to go purchase one of the craft kits to be able to do at home. This is what comes with your kit. So it has all the colors that you need, plenty of string that you need to finish it, and also has your needle for you to be able to use. Occasionally, when you have many times that you've had to go through one hole, it can get tougher for it to come through. And in the video, I kind of showed that a little bit, but I end up taking scissors and just underneath here where it's not the sharp edge, I'll clip it onto the needle and face it away from me and pull it through, and that normally works great. I'm just excited for all of you to get your hands on this because it has been a very fun craft for us to do. Again, thank you so much for watching our channel. It means the world to us. I enjoy reading all of your comments, so comment, let me know all of your feedback. Until next time, we'll see you later.